Okay. We will give you 30 seconds left. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, muli, palakpakan naman po natin ang bawat isa. And of course, our newlywed, the new Mr. and Mrs. Ibanez. Again, we also love to give the loudest clap and the warmest big applause for our musician, Mr. Kim Carey. There you go once again, Kim Carey. Grabe mo. Lalo nakaka-inlove. Pag may mga ganyan tayo sa isang event, right? Thank you so much, Kim. So now,